This is the GoPro Hero 11, and in this video I'm going to be sharing the best settings you can use to get the best quality footage out of it. So first of all, you want to be shooting in either 24 or 25 frames a second, depending on where you are. For NTSC regions, that's 24 frames a second, and for PAL regions, which is most of Europe, you want to be shooting at 25 frames a second. Set your resolution to 5.3K for the best possible picture quality. You need to be shooting in 10-bit because it's much better quality. It gives you so many more colours, and it's much more useful when you come to grading your footage. Now, on the subject of colour grading, set your colour profile to flat because that'll give you much more dynamic range and much more usable footage. And this is the bit where I remind you guys, if you're finding this video useful, to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our other videos. Okay, interruption over. Back to the video. The GoPro Hero 11 has GoPro's HYPERSMOOTH 5 stabilization, which is absolutely fantastic. So make sure you've got that switched on. But for the best picture quality, I'd recommend not using the boost because it does crop in quite a bit. Now, the GoPro Hero 11, like all action cameras, can tend to give footage that very crisp, very over-sharpened digital look. So I always recommend setting the sharpness to low. Let me show you the difference between some footage with the sharpness on high and the sharpness on low. The computational AI inside the GoPro Hero 11 is absolutely fantastic, so you can leave almost everything else on auto. I'm talking about things like shutter speed and white balance, all that kind of stuff. Pretty much let the camera take care of that itself. So if you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. I'll be really happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.